Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the expansion and updates, now act. First, confirm your character meets the progression threshold because skin drops often gate on level. Then stock the necessary currency, event tokens, shards, or dollar, so you won't stall. Immediately travel to the assigned activity or vendor. Pressing onward reduces RNG weights. Once there, open the event panel and mark the Medkit skin objective. You're starting with purpose. The sooner you play, the sooner you can finish. You now focus on the heart of the grind. Complete the specific activities that drop the skin token, do bounties, weekly missions, or dedicated event runs because they yield the needed progress. Make sure to stack boosts and play with a fire team to increase drop rates and speed. Track your progress after each run. If an objective lingers, switch to a shorter activity to close the gap. Keep momentum. Consistent completion beats long solo sessions when trying to earn a rare cosmetic. You're at the finish line, redeem immediately. Open the vendor or cosmetics menu and claim the Medkit skin once the token or quest completes, because some systems remove unclaimed rewards after resets. If it doesn't appear, relog and clear inventory filters, then check the event timer to confirm the window didn't close. If problems persist, gather screenshots and receipts and contact support. Explain your steps and show evidence. That troubleshooting path saves time and usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.